Afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Today we are just doing something like how we smart contract connect with the web application. Okay, we are using the web application like MetaMask. Okay, the first we will discuss how we download the MetaMask in your browser, and then how we take ethers. Okay. And then how we connect smart contracts that we built on a Remix connect with that MetaMask. Okay. So firstly, yeah, everybody sees the screen that is Explorer. Okay. This is Explorer browser. Okay, you can use any browser. Actually, I have already downloaded a MetaMask on my Chrome browser. So that's why I'm using the Explorer. Okay. And in this, we go to extensions. Okay. And then search in the search box, we search for a MetaMask. If no, then you can simply search on a in my okay, here is download the download now, and this is Chrome, iOS, and Android. If I've already download for Chrome, I think. Yes. So now start it. So here are two options. The first one is no, I already have a seed phrase, or yes, let's get set up. Okay, so click here. This will create a new wallet and seed phrase. So here are some instructions. So here we click I agree. And here you just create a password. Whenever you want to start MetaMask, you just enter a password that you have created now. Okay, so it should be of minimum 8 characters, and it should be that password. You can always remind your in your mind. So I just confirm password. Okay, I have read and agree the terms of use, then create. So this is some secret words. There are 12 secret words. If you click to reveal secret words, these are like you should store these words in a some separate place, or some we can say that कि मतलब ਜਿੱਥੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਰਿਟਰੀਵ ਕਰ ਸਕੋ ਲੈ ਸਕੋ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਸ ਦੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਚਲਾਉਣਾ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਜਾਂ ਬੈਕਅਪ ਲੈਣਾ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਇਸ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਦਿਸ ਸ਼ੁੱਡ ਬੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ याद होने, इस करके इसनू कॉपी करके किसी नोटपैड या किसी उसके विच सेव कर लो। Then the next, and enter it in a sequential way. The first one is divide, the second one is exile vital, then second exile, then vital, and census choose reward, census choose reward, beauty, then lab, then student, indicate, remind, and then brief. It should be in order to make sure it is correct. Okay. So make sure divide, exile, vital senses, divide, exile, vital senses, and choose reward beauty lab, choose reward beauty lab, and then student indicate remind brief, student indicate remind brief. Okay. Then confirm. So here all is done. Now just click. So this is the main page of your MetaMask. Okay, if you click on this, so we just close all the tabs. So just click on this. You see that the front end of the your MetaMask. Okay, here we click the link by test network, because if you want to connect your smart contract with MetaMask, then you can connect only by your link by test network. It is a test network. Okay, so here we use fake ethers, not real ethers. Okay, for testing, for test network we use fake ethers. So here in this we can create more accounts. So account 2 create and account 3 create. Yeah, so we have created 3 accounts, account 1, account 2, and account 3. Okay, in your link by test network using MetaMask. Or if you want to see your account 1, you see the account details. So this is your account 1. So if you click on here, that is account 1 copied. If you want to suppose this is your account 1, the address of your account 1 created on your MetaMask. Okay, so here you have 0 ethers. If in each account you have 0 ethers. If you want to add some ethers in your account, so if we use link by network, link by,
चलो ठीक है, मेल कर दो।
okay,
ठीक है, 4 बजे आएगा ना?
we can add
कर सकते हो।
ethers to our MetaMask account using this site. Okay, what we do
लॉगिन करना जरूरी
here
नहीं होता?
is just be sure that your account should be on
सर
connected.
ये लेक्चर देखना जरूरी नहीं होता, सिर्फ अटेंड नहीं कर सकते सीधा?
किसकी? लोग क्या मान?
हाँ,
पता नहीं अटेंड कर ही नहीं मानते हैं। कितने दिन नहीं आते, शुरू वगैरह था एक दिन बोल में किया। कि पाकिस्तान वालों की
So here we just started the remix. Okay, we just write some.
नितिका आप कुछ खाना पसंद करोगी?
सर लंच करके आई हूँ।
Ma'am, can you please mute the Nitika? Ma'am, I have no option
Yes,
to
ma'am.
mute her.
I'm
मैंने देखी।
doing that.
हाँ जी।
You have been asked to unmute.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. So we just created one new contract here. Yeah. Just wait a minute. I just copied. Everybody sees the screen of Remix platform.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It is a smart contract in which we have used set function and get function. Okay. So firstly, we add some. So here, if you just click on your deployment here, click injected Web3. If you click on injected Web3, the automatically your MetaMask front end will open. Okay, so here we just click on one account that will connect to your remix remix platform. Okay, so you just we click on the first account and next and then connect. So if you click on your MetaMask, here you see that your account 1 is connected. Okay, so here we want some ethers to run this smart contract. So just copy the account, and if so here you have two options. If you posted your address on Twitter, then the Twitter link is posted on here, and after posted it after copied it here, you just you have three options: 3 ethers for 8 hours, 7.5 ethers for 1 day, and 18.7 ethers 3 days. This means that you have 3 ethers. After 8 hours, you have created another 3. You have other 3 options after the 8 hours. That means मतलब 3 ethers आपको मिल जाएंगे, बट अगर आपने दोबारा से फिर उसी लिंक के थ्रू या उसी अकाउंट के थ्रू या फिर वो अकाउंट आपका एफबी का हो या फिर वो अकाउंट आपका ट्विटर का हो, तो वो आपको 8 आवर्स के बाद मिलेंगे. ठीक है, सो वी यूज ट्विटर. सो जस्ट फर्स्ट copy the account address from your MetaMask, and here Twitter is not open here. So just pause it here. Okay, you can post it with some other words also. Like I have posted some this, but it doesn't matter in your Ringway authenticated faucet. Okay. If you just posted this address, then it is also okay. Okay. And then tweet. And if you click on this, then open this tweet. Okay. And then this, copy this and paste it here. Okay. If you pasted it here, then you have three options. 3 ethers for 8 hours, 7.5 ethers for 1 day, and 18.75 ethers for 3 days. Just click on this. So funding request accepted for this. Okay, you just check it. Yeah, you have 18.75 ethers in your account. Everything is clear till now. How we downloaded the MetaMask and how we created accounts in MetaMask and how we assign ethers to MetaMask accounts. Clear? So we have 18.75 ethers in account 1. So if you and you are now logged your this site for 3 days. Okay, and so how we can add ethers into other two accounts? Just send, sorry, firstly so firstly open the account 2 and copy it and come back to account 1, send, copy, paste it here. So how many ethers you want to send to account 2? Suppose 5. Okay, so this is the transaction fees. Gas price is 142 and your gas limit is 21,000. So confirm, yeah, next. So total amount is, total transaction fees is, because 142 is your gas price. So total transaction fees to do this, to send ethers from account 1 to account 2 is 5.002982. And the confirm. Wait for some minutes. And the transaction 0 is confirmed. View on Etherscan. We can see this transaction on Etherscan. Just refresh this. Everybody sees the Explorer screen. How transaction would be run.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is your transaction details. So this is the transaction hash and our transaction has mined successfully, and this is the block and timestamp is 24 seconds ago, and from account 1 to account 2 how many ethers we have sent, that is 5 ethers. The transaction fees is 0.002982 and the gas price was that. Clear? So click on MetaMask. You see that the account 1 has 13.747 ethers and your account 2 has 5 ethers. Similarly, account 3, copied the account. From account 1, we have sent, just paste it here and send 5 ethers and the next and confirm. Wait for few seconds to confirm this transaction. transaction 1 is confirmed. You can see the details of this transaction. Just refresh. If you pay more gas price, then your transaction will mind early. Okay, the more gas price you paid, the early your transaction has been mined. Okay. This is the second transaction detail. Clear? So click MetaMask. So account 1 has 8.74 ethers, account 2 has 5 ethers, account 3 has 5 ethers. Now all the accounts have some ethers. So now just connect it with Remix. So if you want to run a smart contract on a Remix platform, then we just select the JavaScript virtual machine. So here we deploy this smart contract. You already know now what this function works in this smart contract. The function set updates the value of price, and the function get, it retrieves the value from the price variable. Here, so here deploy contract. If you click on the get price is 0, location is London, because we've already given the location London. We just want to set the price. So here is 100. Set price function. And if you click on the get price, the price is 100. Okay. So same smart contract wants to connect with MetaMask. Okay. So here we have two options. The first is set function and the second one is get function. In set function, we have updated the values. So here we created a transaction. Okay. Here we just creates a call. It already mentioned creates a transaction and costs some gas, takes time, must be confirmed. Okay, here this function creates a call and it's free, does not take time. So this it means that if you want to update the price value, or if you click on set price function, then your MetaMask will open, because it is a transaction, because this function creates a transaction that costs some amount of gas. Okay, but if you click on get price function, then you just creates a call that doesn't take time, that doesn't cost gas, it is free of cost gas. Okay, so how it works, just click on the injected web3. Before run your before deploy this smart contracts, we make sure that your MetaMask is open or not. Yeah, our MetaMask is open and connected with account number first. You can check now 0x8759. So here is 0x8759 and here is 8.744 ethers and here is also 8.744 something value amount of ethers. Clear? Okay, so from this account we deployed this smart contracts. Yeah, if you when you deploy this smart contract from this address, your MetaMask will open and it wants your permission to take this transaction. Okay, so what it wants, it shows that the gas fee of this transaction is this. If you want your transaction has been mined early, so here you just increase your gas price. Okay, you can write it here 2 also. By default, it is 1. Sorry, by default, by default is 1. But if you want to mind early this then you can change it to 3, 4, 5, whatever you want. Okay, so click confirm. It takes some time to be mined. So here are to confirm. Just click on this. Your transaction has been mined successfully. Your transaction hash is this, and this is the status, and this is the block, and this is the address of your MetaMask account. This is your contract address. Contact address. If you click on this, yeah, this is your contact address. Contact address means that you have created on your Remix platform. So this contract address refers to this smart contract. Okay, if you click on this smart contract and copy it and write it here, V, and click on add address, what you see, this contract has been deployed. Clear? So here, if you want to click on a get price function, you just create a form. You didn't create any transaction. Okay, so just click on get price. You just create a call. So this is a transaction hash from this. It takes no time. It doesn't take any time. Just a few microseconds. Okay, but if you 100, if you click on or if you run the set price function, your MetaMask will open because now you called a transaction and transaction cost gas and it takes time and it must be confirmed by the miner. Okay, so here a Wink by test network, which consensus you already know the consensus algorithm. The blockchain network has used the consensus algorithm for verification and validation the transactions. So here in this Rinkeby test network of MetaMask uses the proof of authority consensus mechanism. Have you know about the proof of authority consensus mechanism? What is the working and what is the method how proof of authority consensus mechanism works? So unlike proof of work or proof of stake, it doesn't need to solve any mathematic complex programs or it doesn't need any high computational power softwares to mine the transactions. It just created an authority. Okay, the authority that consists of maximum 25 validators. Okay, we can create a authority of 5 validators also, 10 validators also, 15, 12, how many? But maximum of 25. That validates your transaction. Okay, so here backend Link by test network of MetaMask, the backend works on the basis of proof of authority consensus algorithm. Clear? So here what it shows that your transaction fees is this and your gas price now we select the 5. Clear? So that our transaction mined early. Clear? So our total amount plus gas fee is for transaction fees is 0.000207. Now confirm. show here. So this is your transaction. It is your transaction details. This is transaction hash. The status is success, and this is block, and this is everything. This is your from which address and your contract address. Okay. So how this MetaMask works with the Remix Ethereum IDE platform? Clear? If you just call the location, this is also a call function. It does not create any transaction. It's just a call. It creates a call. Clear? Clears how MetaMask is connected to your Remix smart contract. If you have any doubt in this, then you can tell me. You can put any question on this if you have any. Everything is clear to all? How we install and how we work with the MetaMask using it Remix platform?
मैम मेटामास्क बेसिकली है क्या वॉलेट
It's like a wallet.
ओके तो मैम अगर कभी फंड ट्रांसफर या इन सब चीजों के लिए भी इसको यूज कर सकते हैं
Yes. But if you want to transfer some funds or something, then you need a real network. Okay, the Ethereum mainnet. You can't use any test network. If you want to transfer any funds or real ethers, then you use the Ethereum mainnet. For testing the networks or for testing the smart contracts, we use these type of test networks. We basically work on Ring by test network. It is the one of the types of your test network. We create fake ethers and we transfer these ethers from one account to another account.
ओके
Ma'am, I have a question.
All that we did, I didn't get the point how these two are connected. I mean, you can do MetaMask
Can you,
alone.
sorry, can you please something little bit loud because I cannot hear you.
Ma'am, I still didn't get the point how these two are connected. I mean, you can do
How these?
all these with the MetaMask only.
Hmm.
I didn't see
Your question
anything,
is
anything you would have done
your
in
co-
Remix ID.
this is your first class regarding your implementation.
No,
What you
I have.
want, you okay? You
I
want
will,
this key? How we connect a remix with the MetaMask?
yes.
You want okay? So I just sharing. Just wait a minute. Can you see my remix screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here this is a where my cursor. This is a remix outside window where we deploy and run the transaction. So in deployment, here is environment. If you click the JavaScript virtual machine, that means you run your smart contract on this remix Ethereum platform. If you click here, injected Web3. Okay. What is injected Web3? MetaMask क्या करता है? MetaMask injects the Web3 library into this page that connects to an Ethereum link by node. Clear? MetaMask में Web3 की लाइब्रेरी है जो तुम्हारे ये Remix प्लेटफॉर्म को MetaMask से कनेक्ट कर देती है. Clear? When you click on injected Web3, this automatically takes your Rink by network. If you have already downloaded the Rink by network on this browser, then it automatically updates your environment. Clear? So if you click on this, before run, before deploy, you open your MetaMask, you just open your MetaMask and be sure that your MetaMask is connected with your Remix. Okay, how we can check? So here is account 1 that is connected, green signal connected, 8759, 8.7432 ethers. Here is it's in account 875 and here is 8.74 ethers. From this, we have guaranteed that our MetaMask is connected with your Remix platform. Clear?
ओके मैम मैम बट आपने इसको मतलब मेटामास्क को यूज किया ना सिर्फ फंड ट्रांसफर्स के लिए रिमिक्स आईडी इसका तो आपने
क्या
कहीं
यूज
यूज
कर सकते हैं?
किया बिना बिना इसके यूज किए आपने मतलब फंड्स ट्रांसफर किए थे.
I didn't get your point. What you are saying? आवाज भी कट रही है थोड़ी सी ना आपकी.
मैम आपने आईडी के ही ट्रांसफर कर दिए थे, रिमिक्स आईडी की तो जरूरत पड़ी ही नहीं.
रिमिक्स आईडी की क्यों नहीं जरूरत पड़ी बच्चे? हमने स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट जो लिखा है वो रिमिक्स आईडी ही में तो ही लिखा है ना.
ओके लेकिन मैम आपने तो अकाउंट टू अकाउंट
यू
ट्रांसफर
जस्ट
वैसे ही.
अरे अकाउंट टू अकाउंट ट्रांसफर तो मैंने इसीलिए किया. यू कैन जस्ट ओपन योर अकाउंट टू ओके एंड डिसमिस हियर. वो तो मैंने सिर्फ आपको वैसे ही बताया था कि हम मेटामास्क में एक अकाउंट से दूसरे अकाउंट तक ट्रांसफर कैसे कर सकते हैं. उसके लिए हमें रिमिक्स की जरूरत नहीं है. तो आप रिमिक्स को मेटामास्क के सेकंड अकाउंट से भी कनेक्ट करवा सकते हो, थर्ड अकाउंट से भी कनेक्ट करा सकते हो. ठीक है. इफ यू वांट more than one accounts, then you need these type of accounts now, account 1, account 2, account 3. So that's why I have created the 3 accounts and I have sent ethers to all the accounts.
ओके मैम. और मैम इस पे
ठीक है.
पार्ट का कोडिंग पार्ट का तो यूज
किसमें
इसमें, ये जो
किसमें नहीं यूज हुआ बच्चे?
ट्रांसफर कर मतलब आपने जो फंड्स ट्रांसफर
फंड्स ट्रांसफर,
किए,
फंड्स ट्रांसफर मींस अकाउंट वन टू अकाउंट, हाँ इसमें कोई कोडिंग का वो नहीं है, ये तो सिर्फ एक वॉलेट है, वॉलेट में 2 या 3 फंड्स ट्रांसफर मींस क्या होता है? सपोज यू हैव गूगल पे एंड आई हैव आल्सो गूगल पे, यू ट्रांसफर सम मनी टू माय गूगल अकाउंट, माय गूगल पे. So this is the same way here. Account one is one account and account two is another account. Like account one is SB account, account two is ICICI bank account. So we can transfer from SB account to ICICI account. Okay, here is no need of coding because it is inbuilt coding. If you want to connect it with a blockchain, then you want to write some smart contracts. Ki what you want to build. What you want to build, what you want to transact in your blockchain network. So where we need smart contracts.
ओके
But
मैम,
if you
ओके.
want to just to clear?
यस मैम, यस. अभी तक हमने मैम वो तो नहीं किया ना, उसका डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन तो नहीं किया ना कि ब्लॉकचेन में माइन
किसका?
कैसे करेंगे, ब्लॉकचेन में माइन करेंगे जब.
So नहीं माइनिंग, अगर आप मेटामास्क यूज कर रहे हो ना, तो मैंने वही बताया था, अगर आप मेटामास्क यूज कर रहे हो तो इसके बैकएंड पे जो कंसेंसस एल्गोरिदम यूज हो रहा है, दैट इज प्रूफ ऑफ अथॉरिटी विच डू माइनिंग. सो प्रूफ ऑफ अथॉरिटी में क्या होता है, प्रूफ ऑफ वर्क में क्या होता था कि अगर कोई ट्रांजेक्शन आती है तो उसमें क्या है, कुछ माइनर्स हैं, है ना, जो माइन करते हैं ट्रांजेक्शन को विद द हेल्प ऑफ हाई कंप्यूटेशनल हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर. ठीक है, बट इन प्रूफ ऑफ अथॉरिटी वी डोंट नीड एनी computational high amount of computational power. Here we just have 25 validators, maximum of 25 validators authority. Okay, here we have team where do mining process. So it is a back end process. It is a inbuilt process. मतलब MetaMask एक ऐसा वॉलेट है जिसमें प्रूफ ऑफ अथॉरिटी कंसेंसस एल्गोरिदम के बेसिस पे आपकी ट्रांजैक्शंस हो रही है. बस वी कैन से लाइक दैट. इफ यू ट्रांजैक्शंस ऑन
और मैम,
MetaMask यूज,
और हम
हाँ,
प्रूफ ऑफ वर्क का कब करेंगे कोई एग्जांपल?
प्रूफ ऑफ वर्क अगर आप करना चाहते हो तो, अगर आप प्रूफ ऑफ वर्क करना चाहते हो तो उसके अकॉर्डिंगली आपको वॉलेट यूज करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है ना, शायद आई थिंक जो ये है ना, जो वी यूज रिंक बाय, बट इफ यू यूज कोवन या रॉबस्टन, आई थिंक वन ऑफ दीज टू यूजेस प्रूफ ऑफ वर्क. ओके,
ओके मैम.
हाँ, I just explained using Ring by test network, and I just want to tell you that this network uses the proof of authority consensus algorithm. Okay,
Yeah, ma'am,
because in today's time, the proof of authority algorithm works mostly instead of using proof of stake or proof of work, because proof of stake में बहुत ज़्यादा पावर यूज हो जाती है. ठीक है, और टाइम भी ज्यादा लेती है वो, इसीलिए हम प्रूफ ऑफ अथॉरिटी को प्रायोरिटी देते हैं. तो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम यूजिंग दिस नेटवर्क, टेस्ट नेटवर्क. क्लियर?
क्लियर मैम.
Any more doubt? You just build some smart contracts on your Remix ID platform and then connect it with MetaMask and do some transactions and check how these transactions can work. Clear? How this can be changes when your gas price change and how the transaction price change or something. It is just a basic कि हमने एक स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बनाया, उसको कनेक्ट किया मेटामास्क से. Clear?
Yes, clear.
Any more doubt from anyone? No doubt. Today's lecture is based on just Rinkby, how we install, how we use, how we connect with Remix, and how we take ethers from the Rinkby faucet authenticated network. Hello, Sakshi ma'am.
Yes, Shubhani ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am, today's lecture is only up to this and how we install
Okay.
this and this.
Okay,
Hmm.
ma'am.
If you आप एक बार पूछ लो, अगर किसी को डाउट है तो वो पूछ सकता है.
So is there anyone having any doubt? I don't think so there are any doubts, ma'am. No.
Okay.
So as you don't have any doubt, then we can wrap up the session now. Thank you so much, Shubhani ma'am.
हाँ जी.
And thank you everyone for the lecture. I have pasted the attendance link in the chat window, so it will be open for another 15 minutes. So everyone mark your attendance over there.